Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can copy trade on MEXC. So this is really quite easy. The first thing that you will have to do is of course ensure that you're using the right MEXC website. And once you're here, you will just have to log in with your account and of course log into your account and of course make sure that your credentials are right so that you will be able to successfully log in. And after you log in, you will basically just look for the copy trading. So it should be right here somewhere, but it really depends on the version that you have. And yeah, once you see copy trade or copy trading, you will just have to click that. And once you're here, you will just have to browse the top traders, and then you will just have to review their performance, their risk level, and strategy, and all that stuff. And you could also click follow or copy trade so that you will be able to set investment amount and risk preferences, and after that you will just have to confirm and your account will mirror the trader's trades automatically. And yeah, you could also monitor trades via your portfolio and then go to copy trading. And yeah, that's basically just it. Start small and track performance regularly, and copy trading does not guarantee profit, by the way. So yeah, keep that in mind. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.